Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're parked beside a quiet lake just before sunrise. There's a soft layer of mist floating above the water, the kind that gently moves with the morning breeze. You step out with a warm cup of coffee, the air crisp, the world silent. Behind you is your motorhome, not just any motorhome, but your own personal getaway, your moving cabin, your open road sanctuary. Inside, your family or friends are slowly waking up after a cozy night's sleep. No rushing, no alarms, no stress, just the calm of nature and the freedom of being exactly where you want to be. Now open your eyes, because this feeling, this lifestyle, is exactly what the 2026 Toyota family motorhome is built to give you. Today, I'm taking you on a full walkthrough of Toyota's latest family motorhome, showing you the exterior, the interior, the living space, the comfort features, and everything that makes this compact home on wheels perfect for modern travel. If you've ever dreamed of taking your home with you, waking up to a new view every morning, or traveling without sacrificing comfort, then keep watching, because this might just be the motorhome that inspires your next adventure. Let's start with first impressions. When you walk up to the 2026 Toyota family motorhome, the first thing that hits you is how clean, modern, and balanced it looks. The exterior design is smooth, with rounded edges instead of boxy corners, giving it a sleek and aerodynamic profile. It feels compact enough for city driving, yet spacious enough to deliver that real motorhome feel. The headlights are crisp and modern, the side mirrors stretch wide for excellent visibility, and the panoramic windows instantly tell you that this vehicle is built for scenic travel. The paint options, usually a classy metallic gray or deep charcoal, give it a premium, understated look that fits perfectly at a lakeside camp, a forest road, or even a hotel parking area. Move to the back, and you'll notice a sturdy rear ladder and a rooftop rack perfect for storing extra gear like bikes, boards, or adventure equipment. Soft LED underglow lighting adds a beautiful warm tone when parked at night, lighting your campsite without being too bright. It's practical, stylish, and feels very Toyota, reliable and purpose-built. Now, stepping inside is where the real magic begins. The moment you enter, you feel the height of the ceiling and the openness of the layout. It's bright, airy, and surprisingly spacious for its size. Natural light floods through the panoramic windows, instantly giving a feeling of comfort and calmness. To the left, you'll find a cozy living and seating area. It's a small L-shaped sofa or dual bench setup that easily seats 3 or 4 people. The upholstery is soft but durable, perfect for families, long trips, or daily use. In the center is a foldable table, big enough for breakfast, laptops, planning maps, or even board games for the kids. This area is your living room, your dining room, your work desk, and your evening hangout spot all in one space. When night comes, the table drops down, and the sofa smoothly converts into a surprisingly comfortable bed. It's smart, simple, and makes excellent use of limited space. Above the seating area, overhead storage compartments line the upper walls. They're deep enough to hold travel gear, clothes, books, or cooking supplies, and the soft close hinges make everything feel smooth and premium. Every inch here is designed to maximize space. When night comes, the table drops down, and the sofa smoothly converts into a surprisingly comfortable bed. It's smart, simple, and makes excellent use of limited space. Windows on both sides let you wake up with natural light from either direction, whether you're facing a mountain range or a peaceful beach. With the soft LED lighting overhead, the interior at night feels warm and comforting. It's a space where families can unwind after a long day of travel. On the right side is your compact but very practical kitchenette. You get a small sink with a modern faucet, a 2-burner gas or induction stove, and a compact refrigerator tucked neatly under the counter. It's the kind of setup where you can easily make coffee, warm up a meal, chop vegetables, or prepare a simple lunch on the go. There are smart storage drawers and cupboards for spices, utensils, cutlery, and cookware. A microwave can be fitted depending on configuration. There's a fresh water tank, wastewater storage, and dedicated outlets to power small appliances or charge devices. Everything here is designed to feel like a tiny but functional modern kitchen. On selected configurations, you get a compact wet bath, a small shower and cassette toilet combination with a sliding door. It's not a luxury spa, but it's extremely practical for road trips where you don't want to rely on public facilities. Even if you choose the version without the built-in bathroom, there's space for portable systems and easy access to campground hookups. Storage is one of the biggest strengths of this motorhome. There are overhead lockers, under-seat compartments, small wardrobes, drawers in the kitchen, and floor-level storage panels, all designed with the traveler in mind. Whether you're carrying clothes, groceries, camping gear, or tech equipment, everything has a place. What really sets this motorhome apart from typical vans is how intelligently the space is used. Many vans feel cramped, low-ceilinged, and dark. The Toyota family motorhome feels open, bright, and comfortable. At the same time, compared to giant RVs, this one is easier to drive, easier to park, and far more fuel efficient, all while giving your family more than enough room to live and travel comfortably. And of course, it sits on a Toyota platform, which means reliability, durability, and easy maintenance. You're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying long-term trust. Before we wrap up, I'd love to know, would you take this motorhome for a weekend trip, a long vacation, or maybe a cross-country adventure with your family? And which feature caught your attention the most? The panoramic windows, the convertible sofa bed, or the compact kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your experiences and ideas. So, that brings us to the end of this full tour of the 2026 Toyota family motorhome. It's more than a travel vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. A way to break away from routine, to travel with comfort, to make memories, and to wake up every morning in a place that feels new and exciting. Whether you're camping by a river, parked on a mountain viewpoint, or exploring new cities, this motorhome gives you a home that travels with you. If this tour inspired you or helped you understand the motorhome better, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite feature, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and travel lifestyle content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels, and may your next sunrise be from the window of your own home on wheels.